Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
There is soul, and this body has developed on the platform that a soul, and that soul is migrating from one body to another. That is called evolution, and that evolution process is going on. 8,400,000 of species of life, aquatics, birds, beasts, plants, and so many species of life. And we have got now this developed consciousness, human form of life. We should properly utilize it. That is our Krishna consciousness movement. We simply educating people, don't waste your valuable life, the human form of life. If you are missing this chance, you are committing suicide. That is our problem. Don't commit suicide. Take to this Krishna consciousness. And the process is very simple. You haven't got to take difficult processes like yoga system or philosophical speculative system. That is not possible in this age. That is, I'm not speaking from my own experience, but I'm taking the experience of big acharyas and big stalwart sages. They say that kalu nastiva 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 gatirannatha. If you want to realize yourself, if you want to know what is your next life, if you want to know what is God, if you want to know what is your relationship with God, all these things will be revealed to you. This is your knowledge. By simply chanting this mantra, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. It is practical. We are not charging anything, we are not bluffing you. That I shall give you something secret mantra and charge you $50. No, it is open for everyone. Please take it. That is our we are begging you. Don't spoil your life. Please take this mantra, chant, wherever you like. It has no hard and fast rules you have to follow. Whenever you like, wherever you like, any condition of life, just like we chanted half an hour before, any condition you felt ecstasy. Similarly, you can continue this. Chant this Hare Krishna mantra. It is given to you free. But if you want to know what is this Hare Krishna mantra, through philosophy, through knowledge, through logic, we have got volumes of books. Don't think that we are simply sentimentally dancing. No, we have got background. So, try to understand this Krishna consciousness movement. I have especially come to your country to deliver you this good message, because if you accept this, if you can understand this science of Krishna consciousness, other part of the world will also follow, and the face of the world will be changed. That is a fact.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.